just came outside of my balcony to see what's going on. So here some construction is going on. So I'll do brush and then post. I'll go down and see what is there in the breakfast, and I'll show you guys as well. And then so now I'm going to have breakfast. Let's go down and see what is there. So I guess breakfast में शायद से छोले भटूरे होंगे. I guess I'm hoping. See, my eyes are also getting red. I think मेरे को eye drops use करने पड़ेंगे. I think you guys will also relate if you will stay in the system for longer time. आपकी eyes red हो जाती है. That is because of this long use of system. So today in my breakfast there was some rice item, and apart from that there was some chole, and also there was some puri. So this was the breakfast. So guys, I had my breakfast. So breakfast में as usual छोले भटूरे मैंने आपको बोला था वही था. And I've packed the stuffs also for my lunch. तो मैं generally ये करती हूँ कि जो breakfast में होता है वही I used to pack, and I used to carry it to office for lunch also. So guys, I have packed my lunch. As you can see, मैंने जैसे कि I ate lunch. So I'll just fill this lunch in this bag and then I'll get ready. Then here comes the most challenging part, जो कि every girls will relate to. Understand and to clarify कि आज क्या पहनना है. That is the most difficult part. So I'll also see कि मुझे आज क्या पहनना है. I'll find dress and then I'll go for bath. Till then, stay connected. So ये रही मेरी simple सी outfit for today. So guys, I just want to know if you guys are keen in knowing कि what kind of hiring is going on in my company and which company I work in. So do let me know in the comments so that in coming videos I'll be sharing you the hiring updates. So currently in my company there's hiring going on for tech roles also, non-tech also roles, and apart from that leadership roles as well. So if you find, and for freshers especially, and that too at a good CTC around 6 around 9. So if you guys are interested and if you guys want to know कि कौन सी hiring है, किस role की hiring है, if it's aligned to your career or not, and if you would like to refer your friends or anything, so just let me know ताकि next video when I'll be making I'll be telling you कि किस roles में openings हैं in my company. And if you guys have any reference, or if you yourself wants to apply for that role, so you can just comment me, you can just drop me your resume. So I'll be just sharing you details and everything, and I'll make a proper video on this, whatever hiring is going on in my company and all. So just let me know in case if you guys are looking for it. So this is my outfit for today, and now I'm just going to office because already I'm late. 10 o'clock is my reporting time to office, but typically HRs won't go on time, behaving like a typical HR. So my office is kind of flexible, in which even if you are going at 10:30, it's fine. The only concern they have is that you have to spend 7 hours in our company. So that's the thing that also I won't maintain sometimes, because if my work is done, I feel like okay, fine, now it's time to leave office. So it's just that work-centric kind of. Every company will be like that only. So if your work is done, you are ready to go. You are ready to leave. You can't leave obviously if you're going at 11 o'clock, and so you can't leave at 3 o'clock. So that is there. But again, if you're working, everything is done, you left by 6:30 or 6 o'clock. Anything will work. So I've had my lunch, I've packed everything, I had breakfast. Now I'll be just rushing to office. So office में जाने के बाद there's one challenge which I face. I'm not able to make that much of content, that much video, because people will be there sitting beside me and they might not feel comfortable. And making a video and putting it on social media, few people might feel hesitation kind of. So I prefer कि even if I'm making video, it shouldn't happen in any other personal life or something. So that's why if you see in my first video also I'll make a very small clip. In this also I'll try to make clips, but I'm not sure. Okay guys, so let me catch up with you once I'm back from office. Bye. I just took a small break from my work. जो मैं कर रही थी, I was actually sourcing up profiles, so I just took a small break, just wanted a refreshment kind of, and see the weather. It's so beautiful. It's raining over here in Bangalore, so see the weather. So यहाँ पे मैं बस अपने फ्रेंड के पास आई थी, and here we are cooking. तो यहाँ पे हम ये तोरई की सब्ज़ी बना रहे हैं. Here we are cooking roti and then we'll have dinner. So after having my dinner, I just went on bed to sleep. So guys, if you like my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.